you...
Wayne is settled with partner Kez and his stepkids
Flowers.
Taylor. He wants answers about his own identity.
50% of my personality and my heritage, I haven't got a clue where it comes from. I do have a short temper, and I like sometimes to myself. And one that hasn't come from my mum. Where does it come from?
Wayne has spent the last 17 years searching for his father, with no success. And now on the verge of a possible call-up to Afghanistan, Wayne's desperate for answers.